Flint, they may have gifted you, a couple of goals there tonight, but, you still got to put them away, and yourself another two to the tally for the season.
Yeah, I wouldn't say gift. I think we just reacted well. We pressed high, and Flint are a good team. I think the table lies a bit because they were good when it came to ours, and they were good today. So, yeah, just happy to win.
The goals that are going in is TNS, Cardiff Met, Penabont. They're all very similar. It's individuals making mistakes at bad times, which are really costing us. Now, if you take them mistakes out, they've scored 1 goal. We're giving teams goals. We give Penabont 3 goals the other day. We give Cardiff Met 3 goals or 4 goals the other day as well. And we've got to be better. We have to be better because we can match teams in this league with physicality in terms of on the ball as well. But ultimately, the lads have really got to start understanding their job and roles, responsibilities in the teams, and don't give any team a leg up.
Yeah, attention turned to the Welsh Cup next week now against Cardiff Met. Bit of squad rotation or strong side?
Nah, look, we'll look at it again. Obviously, we need to get them back from last week. So, tricky draw. We got drawn there last season as well, innit, as well. So, yeah, look, we'll just pick a team to go and win now. We're near enough on a game a week now. So, the rotation is a little bit, in the back of our minds a little bit. Lads have got to get in the team and stay in now.
Are you concerned that you've only had the point in over the last 12?
No, as I said, you've known me now for over 3 or 4 years, is that we just focus on where we are. I've just said to the lads now, we've always wanted to be in that top 6. I think that's done. We focus now as where we can get 7th place. We're going to try and win as many games as we possibly can. We've got Penabont and TNS and Barry squashed in between, so we've had 3 very difficult games. We've got 1 point out of it, which is, to be fair, I thought we should have had something out of the Penabont game, especially with the Tom Owen's wrong decision with the penalty. But now we focus on the next game, which is Britain Ferry away. 2 teams in exactly similar position. We both know that these points now are massive going into phase 2.